Tapping the referral again. We actually did tap the opening. We did close above. We're still looking. We're actually looking bullish. I'm gonna make my decision. I'm gonna make my buy, and I'm gonna stick and I'm gonna live with this decision. This is gonna be the only entry. If this trade does not play out, then that's it. Probably price is gonna come back. It's gonna come all the way down here. Take this lows. But at this point, probably I'm using that daily opening gap as my wall. Hold on. I'm just trying to see where, okay, it was there. All right. Make a decision, live with a decision. It's not a big deal, not a big entry anyways. And as you saw there. Hold on, I'm forgetting something. Forgot to. Okay. Anyways, the entry looks somewhere here. Placing the stop loss here below. And targeting here. So I want to use the opening gap, the fair value gap, but we're having a change in state of delivery in a liquidity sweep. So if this thing doesn't play out, we're most likely gonna go all the way down there. You see, I'm entering actually with a change in state of delivery. I should have been selling instead, but because there's an argument right now, there's a big fight, right? Buyers, sellers, who's gonna win from here? There's a lot of ICT traders trying to sell from here as well. Don't get me wrong, I'm not the only one. There's a lot of ICT traders trying to sell from here. Now, understanding the order flow, where do you think price is gonna go? Based on what? Where are we coming from? We're coming from a recent liquidity sweep here and to the upside. We just broke a day open, new day opening gap. However, we are also taking liquidity from that high, from that accumulation. But where is the movement that started all? This first manipulation. So I'm probably more, this is why the argument right now, it's more bullish. So it's making me make this decision to go long. You see right now, it's more than just technical analysis right now. You have to analyze. Experience will come with this. You have to make a decision. You have to think. It's not easy. Heck no, it's not easy. Oh, something I did not notice. There's another level, by the way. There's two levels right now. We just struggle to break. I like that. There is this from September 3rd, from 2 days ago, and this is from yesterday. So this is a pretty strong zone. I can use that as my, as my support, my resistance, my support. I'm sorry. You can still fail. I want to see this high. Get taken. Guys, it's questions. If you have questions, if you're confused as hell, please let me know. It's important. Doesn't matter if you don't enter, guys. It doesn't matter. If you're scared, don't. If you, don't, I mean, you. I encourage you not to enter. I encourage you not to copy, but watch. Watch me make the final decision. So in the future, you apply it yourself. Because yes, hell yes, it was a tough decision right here. But understanding probably the order flow, I know we're already too tough from here. I still believe that, who knows, maybe after taking this liquidity, price will come back down. I just don't like this. I just don't like the market leaving all this liquidity below. Again, probably market is never going to come back to this lows. We are in this huge daily. We're still rejecting this daily, right? But I see markets are so weird, and probably we're going to be choppy today. Also because of the NFP. Tomorrow, so I'm thinking about, I'm gonna place my stop to break even. If price comes back down, it means it's probably disrespecting some fair value gaps right here. And then it means it's probably gonna be choppy. And I really don't care at this point. Whatever happens, cool. If the trade hit the TP, nice. If not, screw it. Now, what do I have? Now, I'm going to delete here this and this, so I want you guys to see the bullish scenario that we're having currently, right? Which is sweep, liquidity sweep. Now, price did take on a fair value gap, nice liquidity sweep, sell side. Where's the change in the state of delivery? Can someone mark up the change in the state of delivery? Tony, Max, Nigel. Bullish, on the bullish side. Can you mark up? Can you see where's the change in state of delivery? Diego? The 3 black candles? Uh-huh. Abdullah, thank you. Max, it's good, brother. It's good. It's all right. It's all right. It's right there. Abdullah, just mark it up. It's just right there. Don't feel scared of, I'm here to teach you. So you're still not understanding, just let me know. That is the change in the state of delivery, right? The opening, so this last manipulation move, right? Price close, that candle closed above. So we do have a change in the state of delivery right here, also known as order block. Now, this is an order block, a bullish order block right here, right? We're halfway up. If you're in this trade, you should be taking partials, and for sure, something that is for sure is stop to break even. And if you want to secure some profits, go ahead. So changing the state of delivery at the opening price. So 3 candles to the downside, taking liquidity. And then when the price pushes up, this is the change in state of delivery. What we're seeing here is this. The price was trying to push. Then we had a liquidity here, liquidity taken. Price actually is trying to push up. So it was something like this. Sell side. And then the price breaks above. Of course, it has not done the pullback. It's looking a lot bullish. So technically, we would want to wait. If you want to trade this breaker, this order block. I'm sorry, it's not a breaker. It's an order block. If you want to trade this order block right here, you could wait for price to simply come back, test, and enter on this order block. Okay, so beautiful. Oh, another thing that you guys can do is use the fib. Low to the high of this last manipulation move. That's another manipulation move. This is a zone where you could target too. You could target the size. Look at that nice displacement in there. Are you gonna hit the TP right away? Of course, it would have been a lot better, the entry, right? From here. But I had almost no trust right here from him. Would have been a lot better. But it's okay. It's okay. If we focus on the trend, if we know where is our target, if we know where is the next draw on liquidity, which I had right here at the top, we wait for the continuation. Eventually, the price is going to give you another re-entry. It's going to give you another chance. Sometimes not, right? Sometimes we see the price just bye-bye. There's nothing you can do. Yeah, news. That's the move, right? Yeah. Sorry, Shavir, I just saw the message. So that high is going to get taken. I think I'm going to go walk away with that. If it hits, I think that's going to be all. To be honest, you might be wondering, oh man, come on, you could have made more. Yeah, I know, but I'm okay. There's no race. I'm not racing against anybody. You want to make more? You could make more. There we go. So officially, that TP, like this is a unicorn right there. Probably stop here. Maybe targeting this size. Oh yeah, for beginners when learning. Exactly. So let's see what could happen here. I like that you see the unicorn, you see the breaker, change the state of delivery, fair value gap. There's a little fair value gap in here. That fair value gap got tapped. So this is a unicorn. Hold on, let me take a screenshot here. I'm not gonna get into this buy, just gonna let it go. Just want to see. We're gonna continue. You see you guys see the unicorn, right? That unicorn got tapped with this little candle. Questions, guys? Make questions. If you have a question, please let me know. All right, nice formation right here. This would be a break-even trade. A unicorn is a pattern. Rupesh. It's a pattern. Let me know if you have not watched those videos yet. I'll send you the playlist. Again, remember, this is in the private playlist. But a unicorn is a pattern. It's the combination of a breaker and a fair value gap. So it's a breaker. You have a breaker on top of a fair value gap, or a fair value gap on top of a breaker, whatever you want to say it first. That becomes a pattern by ICT known as the unicorn. Why is it called like that? Because whenever you see a unicorn, it's a high probability setup. you know. But look at this nice displacement here. Nice move. That would have been a nice entry. So you see on the way up, market's actually, to be honest, is actually acting nice. Even though I doubted about taking this one, I'm glad I was able to get this. But you see, look at, I got 3 shots, 3 opportunities today. It's actually cool. We're getting this. I thought it was going to be nasty today, but ended up being a good day. Really good one, to be honest. Because having three nice formations, that's freaking crazy. That's actually insane. Yeah. Yesterday was good as well. On the way up, when we were catching that buy, on the buy, wait a minute, we spotted 2 more positions. Really nice. It was pretty cool. So look at that. Cool, ain't it?